Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Notion pages with others. So what you'll need to do is basically open a Notion, open your page, and after that click on the share button in the top right corner, and right here you'll see you can invite by email or just send a link. So if you want to invite by email, just add right here and email and click invite, or you can import contacts, but for now we will use the link. So for the link, what you can do is basically only people invited or anyone on the web with link. So select on the general access if you want to use the link, that anyone on the web with the link, and right here you can edit. Those people can edit, can comment, can view. So select one of those. If you want just to them see the page, select just view and select that link never expires, or you can select an hour or date, and basically just copy the link and send it somewhere who needs to join this basically Notion page. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.